I see madness, I see cars coming from all directions, and I see some people who are trying to cross the road but are not able to because no one's stopping to give them way. And I see angry shouts and people getting out of their cars and going over to other drivers, and there's a fight that's happening over there because someone banged his or her car into somebody else's car.
But what can you do? Say, suppose we start with देखा, हाँ, हमने left right देखा, अब क्या करना है? सुनना भी है, गाड़ियों की आवाज सुनो. So write that down. देखो, सुनो. Yes, you will pass this message of road safety through the song. So now what we are doing is we are thinking about the lyrics of the song, the words. Whether you see a traffic signal or whether you see left or right. देखना ही होता है.
Sir, और सही मंजिल पर चलना.
सही मंजिल पर चलना. चलना is the key word actually. So what we can do is, चलो 1, 2, 3, 4.
I'm painting the father. Earlier I painted the student.
Oh wait, there are two of them. No,
Yeah, three of them. And now it's the father.
It's so cute. So it's like, if you see, there are three of them, and these three will be sitting on a scooter. And as you know, the rule says that on a two-wheeler only two people can sit.
And there are four of them sitting on the scooter.
But पापा जी को तो बात माननी नहीं है ना.
This is a crow. It's the main character of this story. He will do like this to make it move and fly.
So we are making an effort to
Makes the people aware
awareness.
of the rules.
देखो, सुनो, सोचो, समझो. बढ़ते चलो, सोचो और समझो. बढ़ते चलो.
You can also be a part of this campaign. Go to www.pvrnest.org/cineart2012 and register.